I'm Edgar.
And I'm Luis.
And we're here to talk about the NFL playoffs.
As you may know, the conference championship games are on Sunday. These two games will determine which teams are going to Super Bowl 52 in Minnesota.
In the AFC Championship game, we have the New England Patriots versus the Jacksonville Jaguars. Tom Brady is facing one of the top defenses in the league before he has the chance to play in his 8th Super Bowl.
Now, in the NFC Championship game, we have the Philadelphia Eagles versus the Minnesota Vikings. After suffering a devastating loss of the MVP candidate Carson Wentz due to injury, the Eagles are looking to shock the world by going to the Super Bowl.
Visit thedailyword.net and let us know your predictions on who's going to Super Bowl 52.
Hello Grizzlies, my name is Veronica Torres, and this is Carolina Cisneros, and you're watching Life Hacks Debunked. We're gonna try out 5 life hacks that aren't what they seem. Let's go!
Do you always have a mess in your backpack? Of course you do, you broke high school student. Well, slap a knife into an empty bottle of lotion and you have yourself the struggle of a lifetime. Don't want to waste years off your lifespan looking for the edge of the tape roll? Well, put a paper clip at the end and you'll never lose your place. Are you looking for a reason to procrastinate? Well, we have just the thing. All you have to do is get your artwork, get a straw, and some string. Cut one side of the straw in half and run the string through it. Slide the picture through the cut and you have a cool way to hang your artwork. Did you highlight the wrong thing in your school textbook? Worry a lot because rubbing lemon does not help. It makes it worse. Not better. At all. Live with your mistake. This last one is pretty fake. Apparently, if you have an iPhone, you can trigger an emergency option if you press the home button 5 times. As you can see, this life hack doesn't work.
Well, there you have it, folks. See you next time, Grizzlies.
Good morning, Grizzlies. My name is Anna Serrana.
And I'm Maria here, and we're doing the Blindfold Challenge.
Alright, Grizzlies, let's get started. You know you're supposed This is audition. Okay,
Is it there?
Yeah.
It better not be me, Anna. It better not be me. It's not, dude. Is it coconut? Is it coconut bar? Is it a protein bar?
You give up?
Yeah.
This does not feel good. I feel like it's gonna bite me. It's looking over. Can I break it?
Well, technically it's not true.
See, I know there's like a shot.
See? Look at it. Look at it. Oh. Why is it wet? I don't know. What the heck? Is it cereal? Is it like beans or something?
Más o menos.
They're beans.
Garbanzo beans.
I said that.
She's hella off. So Grizzlies, that was it for today's challenge.
Obviously I won.
No,
I got 2 points. No,
yeah,
no,
you
no,
didn't even guess it.
What?
You didn't
No, I
guess
guess both of them. No, I won. So I won.
Bye.
What's up, boys? So, Billy, do you have any New Year's resolutions this year?
Nope, I'm a trash human being and there's no way I can fix it.
Well, for those of you who do have resolutions, we're here to teach you how to keep them.
Hi. Did you know that only 8% of people keep their New Year's resolutions? There's no way that anybody's going to be able to keep them.
Can you shut up?
Let's get to the segment.
Are you trying to up your math grade? Well, you can start by setting strict study schedule. Are you trying to get fit? Well, try out the new exercise regimen. Don't forget to stretch. Let's go!
Oh my god, forget it. I'm not doing this. It's like 6 degrees out here.
Are you trying to eat healthier? Here's your basic food pyramid. We know it's tough trying to remember all that, so it's a lot easier to put it all into one big super sandwich. Grain, fruit, vegetables, eggs, and dairy. Delicious!
If you can keep your 2018 resolutions, I'm gonna give you a big hand. Great job. Give yourself a hand. Let's have a great 2018. Get some good grades.
Hi Grizzlies, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Paul.
And welcome to this week's segment of Animals.
In this week's segment, we will be talking about a dog we known as the Rottweiler.
Did you know that Rottweilers were used to pull carts for butchers in the mid-19th century?
They were also bred to drive cattle to market as well.
Rots were one of the earliest police dogs to work with and serve with the military.
The reputation of these large dogs is fearsome. Known as one of the most dangerous dogs in the world, they are also banned in countries like Spain, Romania, and many more.
But they are very loyal, caring, and livable if trained right. Despite their fearsome reputation, they are highly intelligent and fast runners. Because of this, they make great guard dogs.
Their lifespan is 8 to 11 years. That is 77 in dog years. Well, that's it for this week's animal segment.
See you next time, Grizzlies.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Villegas.
And I'm Amanda Boots.
And this is this week's DIY.
First step, what you want to do is wrap the yarn around your finger. So what you want to do next is you want to take the yarn off your fingers and cut a piece of string and tie it around the middle. Next, you cut the loops on each side. Then after you do that, you want to sketch out the ears on the pink and white felt. After you sketch out the ears, then what you want to do is you want to cut them out. After you cut them out, you want to get the hot glue gun, glue on the pink part to the white part. After you assemble the ears, you want to glue them on the pom-pom. Then you cut out a square using the yellowish brownish felt. You shape the square into the cone, and then you glue the cone onto the pom-pom, and then that's it!
That's all for this week. Till next time, Grizzlies.
Hey Grizzlies, I'm Viviana.
And I'm Maggie.
As you should know, Monday, January 15th is a holiday and Martin Luther King's Day is going to be celebrated.
So today we're doing 5 fun facts about Martin Luther King.
You know what's weird? Martin Luther King's Day is supposed to be a federal holiday, but it has different names in other states.
That's weird. Well, did you know Martin Luther King was the most important voice of the American Civil Rights Movement, which worked for equal rights for all?
Actually, I didn't know, but I bet you'd never guess that there are 1,000 streets named after Martin.
You know what's a big deal? Because of Martin's great work in 1964, he received a Nobel Prize.
Dang! But you know what was an actual surprise?
What?
Martin skipped 9th and 10th grade and entered college at the age of 15.
Well, that's the fun facts for today, Grizzlies. Until next time. Good morning, Grizzlies. I'm Melissa Sevilla. Now here's Adriana and Mariela with some serious news for this week. Thank you, Alyssa. Today on Well News, we'll be informing you about 2 problems that are affecting wildlife in the ocean.
Hey Gianna, did you know that turtles aren't born male or female?
No, I did not know.
So, this is how turtles work. The temperature on the outside of the shell determines the sex of the turtle. So if the water is cold, it'll be a male, and if the water is warm, it'll be a female. So, can you guess what global warming has done to these poor turtles?
The majority has turned into female?
You are correct. 99% of Australia's East Coast turtles have now turned female.
Do you know what else is affecting turtles?
No, what is it?
Pollution, because humans are not picking up after themselves. You know the ocean has become so dirty that these poor turtles now have herpes. Over half of the sea turtles in Australia's bay have been severely infected and in risk of dying.
So Grizzlies, just remember that for every piece of junk you throw in the ocean, you are hurting a sea creature. And for more information on how to help reduce global warming, check out our article on www.thedailyword.net. That's it for this week's Grizzlies. Until next time.
That's our show for this week.
All those interested in joining track, come to the informational meeting today at lunchtime in room 1009. See Coach Kaz if you have any questions.
We only have 100 yearbooks left. If you are planning on buying a yearbook, please put $20 down at the activities window to reserve your copy. Books are selling fast.
Seniors, new scholarships have been added to the scholarship page on our school website. Check it out. Hashtag Give Money for College. Hashtag Class of 2018.
Attention seniors, grad night is May 11th. Put $20 down to reserve your spot on the bus.
Don't forget to tweet us on Twitter and follow us on Instagram at DDC Grizz Media.
This has been vital information for your everyday life.
Mm-hmm.